Yeah, so this is me on the train at stupid o'clock. So quick update guys, on my way to Belfast to visit Neil. The last 2 times I met him was unfortunately for funerals. So I thought I'd go up and spend a day up in the city. Gonna shoot some street photography. Had arranged permission with TransLink to shoot some shots in the new station. Head around with Neil, get some shots and also get some shots. So that's a quick update. It is now 11:10. There's a partial eclipse at the moment. Stuck on the train, can't do anything about that. Should be getting into Belfast for about 12:30.
The next stop is Portadown.
I'd seen some photos of the new Belfast Grand Central Station and I thought it would definitely make a nice location for taking some shots, capturing movement with the bright lights and a slow shutter speed so people kind of blur through the image. So I contacted TransLink directly and asked for permission to photograph, because obviously it's a sensitive location security wise and the past of the city. I didn't want to just be seen as going around taking photographs that could be pertain to being well, maybe not pertain is the right word, but someone thinking I'm taking surveillance photographs. So I did it all above board, asked for permission. It's back in Belfast as usual. 9 times out of 10 always raining here. I dealt with the lovely Lisa at Belfast Central Station for a few photographs. Obviously you have to request permission beforehand for security reasons. Off to meet Neil now. Little known fact to anyone who doesn't live in this country. Right behind me is the Europa Hotel, the most bombed hotel in the world, having been bombed I think at least 36 times. But not today, because René is going in. It'll be a nice internal shot. Maybe, maybe not, but we'll see now in a second. Internal shot, interior shot. Well, might work, I'll see after. Anyhow, going to meet my best friend Neil up here. When you go to Belfast, you don't need Google, you don't need TripAdvisor, you just need Neil Davey. Neil's the best man to bring you around Belfast, and it's all the best bars, all the best spots. He's lived here his whole life. I'm going to meet him in the Crown Bar across the road in a few minutes, which is a beautiful old school saloon with lovely little alcoves, and I hope it opens about 12:30, 1 o'clock, which is around now, so I hope we have one, because they fill up so quickly, but it's such a beautiful bar. So I'm going to throw this into me quickly and head on over. Best granddad in the world. There he is. More hairs on his chinny chin.
Yeah. No, that's good.
Thank you, yeah.